What's up, guys? John from JohnMcNeil.com here, and today I want to talk about YouTube and how you can actually start generating money with YouTube. And I'm not just talking about, the money that you can generate with AdSense. I'm also talking about, product sales, whether it be your own product, whether it be affiliate products. This is a great platform that you can actually start generating money from, and it becomes passive income because your videos are little assets that stay on YouTube and they make you money over and over and over again. Here's the problem. A lot of you guys don't want to do video marketing. You don't want to get on camera. You don't want to show your face. You don't like your voice. And despite, all the things I've told you about, like you should get over that fear, and everybody kind of starts out at, a certain area and you improve over time, some of you still don't want to get on camera. So in this video today, I want to show you guys how you can actually start creating videos without showing your face, without even, using your voice. And you can create videos and you can still put together like messaging and put together content that you can actually start putting on YouTube so that you can generate, revenue, whether it be AdSense, whether it be to affiliate products or your own products. You're going to be able to use what I'm going to teach you in this video to actually start creating videos and making money with YouTube. So without further ado, guys, let's go ahead and get started right now. All right, guys, John from JohnMcNeil.com here. So a few days ago, I kind of talked about this Video Maker FX. We kind of looked at a couple different examples of how this all-in-one software tool will give you the ability to create all types of, videos on like whiteboard videos or just sales presentation videos. And we kind of looked at a couple of these demos, and I actually just purchased the product because I actually wanted to actually try it out for myself. And actually see the quality of the videos and see if this would actually help you guys in your video marketing efforts, or just your efforts in making money online with your affiliate marketing business, because I think this is a big hurdle that a lot of you guys are having in terms of not tapping into video. It's important that you tap into video because it converts better than almost anything else. So again, I purchased this product. The product again is $37. I purchased it, and then what I'm going to do now is I'm going to actually go into Video Maker FX and show you guys how to use it. So let's go into it right now. All right, guys, so I'm here in the inside of Video Maker FX, and just to preference, guys, I'm not techie. If you guys have been following me for a while, I'm not a techie person. I'm not very good with technology, but even me, a non-techie person, can actually work this software. It's very easy to install. You basically just click download. It downloads onto your computer, and then you're going to be able to create videos. So I'm just going to walk you through maybe like a slide or two of how you can actually create videos and like some of the different things that you can do with this Video Maker, which I was very pleasantly surprised at some of the things that you can actually do with this. So the first thing you want to do is, once you've opened it up, you're going to click on Add Slide, and it gives you all of these different slide themes that you can choose from. And then you would just basically kind of just click on whatever you want it to. They have whiteboards, they have video sales letter slides, and then you just basically go through and just select what you want. And then once you get to a certain portion, you actually see it preview here. So once I went to video sales letter, and then I went to sales letter bottom text. So it kind of shows you what it'll look like. So if I want to roll with that, I can go ahead and just click Add Slide. And then you can actually adjust anything on the text. Down here, you can actually see that this slide is for 3 seconds. But if I wanted to increase that, I can put slide delay. I can add more seconds, and it'll add more onto that 3 seconds. And if I want to change the text here, I would just have to click on text, and you click on the text image. And then I can go in here and I can just say anything I want. So I'm going to type in make money online. And then I'm going to say by John McNeil. My computer is very slow today, guys. I apologize. And so now I have, make money online by John McNeil. And then of course you can change the font, you can change the size, you can make it, you know, I can turn it to be on my left hand side, I can be on the right hand side, I can make it be in the center. I can do text effects. So there's different things you can do to make it whatever. I can grade, I can do whatever I want to do with it, right? So that's with the text. And then I can go and click over here to like images. And so I can add an image up here. So I can add maybe an image from my personal image file, or I can even add an image that they give me. So, but I'm just gonna open this gallery and I'm just gonna find a photo that they give me. So let's look here. As you can see, I can click and it'll show me like the images. And so I say I want to use this here. So now I have this image here, right? So that's going to be my first slide. So say I'm done there. You can also do animations here too. So if you wanted to put like animations on the slide, you can just click here. So animation 1. And so you can do like little crazy things, you know, but I'm just going to leave it like it was. So this is kind of just giving you guys an idea of some of the things you can do. So say that's my first slide. And so say on my next slide, I want to do something even more creative. So say I want to do a character. So I can do character Frank, and then I can click and see here's Frank here. And then I can go ahead and add a slide. So this slide is about 6 seconds long. And then again, you can go in with the text and click on, you know, text, and you can say, hello, meet. You can say, hello, this system is great. All right. And then of course I could do the text area. I can change fonts. I can even go in here and change the shapes of this here. So I want it to change the shapes. I could change the color of it or whatever like that. So you can do that. Again, you can put images in here if you wanted to. You can do animations. If I wanted to do some special animations in here, so I could change that. I can make him say whatever he needs to say. I can do a background effect. See the background effect, so I can do whatever here. I mean, it's literally like hundreds and hundreds of like scenes and effects and animations and images and slides that you can possibly do. So let's just add one more, and let's just do the whiteboard, right? So everybody likes the whiteboard drawing. So now I'm gonna add a whiteboard drawing to this. And then again, I'm going to, I'm gonna just say, buy my stuff. And then I'm gonna put an animation here. Let's see. So now I've actually added some arrows to this. And you can also put a video in here too. Like if you wanted to put like a video, embed a video into one of the slides, you can actually just grab the embed code and put that video in here. So basically, you know, here's my video now. You know, I can actually go ahead and just save the project. So it's saved, and then I can go ahead and add some audio. So I click on audio setting, and then basically they give you like a file of non-copyrighted music, but you can also browse and upload your own MP3 file. So whatever music that you may have, you can go ahead and use that, but I'm just gonna use something that they already gave me. You can also see this option here where you can actually record your own voice, whether, you know, you just wanted to have a script and then you like recorded your own voice, and then you use that. But I'm just gonna use just the music that they have here. I'm gonna go with that. So I'm gonna apply that music to this presentation. And then, so I'm gonna just go ahead and save my project again, just to be on the safe side. And then I wanna go ahead and preview it, and let's see what it looks like, guys. What up, Frank? Buy it now. Buy my stuff. So, guys, you see what I mean, guys? So, I mean, just in a couple minutes here, I, took this video maker, non-techie person, as I, and this is literally my second time actually just making a quick little presentation in here just to kind of show you guys what you can do. And it has so many more features than what I just showed you guys here. So this is a way that you guys can actually start, you can get in the game here, right? So you can start creating videos. You can be, pushing, you can make sales presentations for your products. You can be creating content like PowerPoint presentation type content in any niche, whether you're doing niche in health and fitness or investing or beauty. You could be creating videos and using these slide presentations, whether it's a whiteboard, whether it's kind of more like a PowerPoint presentation, whether you want to use one of these animated people to talk, use your own voice, whatever the case may be. You can get into the game with this Video Maker FX and start producing videos online. And once you're done, all you have to do is hit export project, actually start exporting. You can browse to wherever you want to save it, and then just the size, and you just click on start video export, and then it'll save to your computer, and then you can upload it to YouTube. So there really is no reason why you guys can't do this. There's no barrier. This is a great product. I highly recommend it. You can see I just created a video from scratch. And if I actually took the time to put something together really cool, it would be really cool, and maybe I'll do that in the future. But I just wanted to, do this to show you guys that there's no excuses. You can go to, I have a link for Video Maker FX in the description, right? So you can go grab that product there. It's $37. And that's minimal amount of money for you to start creating videos, using these videos in your follow-up series, using videos for content on YouTube, using videos for sales pages, whatever you need to use it for, you can do this and use this platform. So this is John from JohnMcNeil.com. Make sure you go down in the description and grab Video Maker FX and hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel by clicking on the little blue John McNeil icon in the right hand corner of the screen. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.